Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Morell. Today we're going to read an article about a girl who is an inventor. Yesterday we learned about the words discovery and invent. If you haven't watched that video yet, watch that one first. Today we are going to read this article. Meet the 11-year-old who invented a healthy lollipop. Let's look at some vocabulary words first. The first word, which we talked about yesterday, is invent. Say invent. That's happening now. If it happened in the past, that is invented. Say invented. Okay. This is a lollipop. Say lollipop. It can also be called a sucker. Say sucker. If you have one, it's a lollipop. If you have two or more, you have lollipops. Say lollipops. Think of a sentence using the word lollipop or lollipops. I could say, I like red lollipops. Now you say a sentence. Okay, next word down here. Tooth is one. Two or more are teeth. Say tooth. Say teeth. Think of how you could use tooth or teeth in a sentence. I could say, I brush my teeth every day. Now you say a sentence. Okay, look here. This is cavities. Say cavities. Cavities are holes in your teeth. Cavities. Think of a sentence using cavities. I could say, if you do not brush your teeth, you will get cavities. Say your sentence. Okay. Next word we need to know, success. Say success. Success. Yay! Good job. You did something good. Success. I could say, reading every day is a success. You use success in a sentence. Good. Next word, I bet you know this one. Candy is one. Two or more is candies. Say candy. Say candies. Think of how you could use it in a sentence. I could say, my favorite candy is chocolate. Now you say your sentence. Okay, good. Our next word, dentist. This person is a dentist, a doctor who works on teeth. If you have one, it is dentist. If you have two or more, dentists. Say dentist. Say dentists. Good. Think of it in a sentence. I go to the dentist 2 times per year. Now you say your sentence. Okay. Our next word, scientist. Say scientist. That's one person, a scientist. This woman here is a scientist. Ms. Urrutia is a scientist. She teaches science. This woman is a scientist. She works on science. These 2 people are scientists. Say scientist. Say scientists. Good. Think of how you could use one of those words in a sentence. Okay. I could say, the scientist studies plants. Now say your sentence. Okay, good. Now, the title of this article uses the word healthy. Say healthy. Here is healthy in Spanish. Sano. I want you to think about lollipops. Are normal lollipops healthy? Give me yes or no. Okay? Why or why not? You could say, normal lollipops are healthy because, or normal lollipops are not healthy because. Please answer that question. Are normal lollipops healthy? Why or why not? I think normal lollipops are not healthy because they have sugar, too much sugar for your teeth. So, how could you make a healthy lollipop? Think about that. What would you invent? I would make a healthy lollipop by. Answer that question. How could you make a healthy lollipop? Okay, let's read the beginning of the article to find out how the girl makes a healthy lollipop. I want to show you one more thing. This article is an interview. Say interview. In an interview, one person asks questions to get information. So this person asks this person questions. She answers the questions. Some of the questions might be who, what, when, where, why, and how. I want you to look for these question words, especially what and how, in this interview. Let's read to learn how the girl makes a healthy lollipop. Read the title with me. Meet the 11-year-old who invented a healthy lollipop. This is true. This is a real person. She did this. Okay. I want you to read the first paragraph to yourself. Let's read it together. Alina Morse is 11 years old. She already has her own business. Alina invented Lollipops. These are lollipops made without sugar. They keep kids from getting tooth cavities. Please read this line here. Let's read it together. Alina's lollipops are a success. In 2014, she sold her millionth lollipop. She sold 1 million lollipops. Wow. Read this paragraph here. Let's read it together. Alina is in the 5th grade. She lives in Michigan. She answered questions about how she invented a yummy sugar-free candy. Read this question and Alina's answer. Stop here. Let's read it together. What inspired you to create Lollipops? Once I went to the bank with my dad. Someone offered me a lollipop. I love candy. I know it is bad for my teeth, though. I asked my dad, can we make a sucker that is really good for you? Read this question and Alina's answer. Stop here. Let's read it together. What happened next? First, we had to learn some new things. We did research on candy and teeth. We talked to dentists. They told us that cavities are a big problem for kids. They explained why cavities happen. Then we talked to food scientists. We learned how to make hard candies. Now, remember last week we learned without means sin in Spanish, sugar, azúcar. So Alina made healthy lollipops made without sugar. No sugar in her lollipops. We'll stop here. Check back soon for a new video. We'll keep reading this article and learn how Alina made healthy lollipops. Stay safe. Keep reading. I miss you. Bye.